we've just acquired in part exchange this Partner van 850. It's got good level of specifications where it's got aircon, and I've tested it, it is cold. It's got Bluetooth for the phone streaming, electric windows. It is in lovely condition and in no way reflects the mileage and the age of the car. It has had the cam belt changed as well. You can see it is in lovely condition, even in here it's all ply lined apart from the bulkhead. It's not really been knocked about for its age. Obviously got the twin opening doors at the back, no knocks or dents. Got the sliding door here. Again, look at that, it's a lovely, lovely clean car. I said car then, I mean van. I'm used to selling cars, that's why. It drives absolutely spot on. We've actually used this for a couple of weeks. So if you require any further information, please give us a call on 07 503 751 005. Thank you.